Hello you guys, this is Fun Automotive, and this is a video about the window latch motor that latches onto right here, down here. I had mine go out and my window wouldn't close, so I had to pry this panel back a little bit. I was at the middle of sitting at Walmart, so I didn't want to pull my whole panel off, the whole panel. So what I did was I just threw a screwdriver in here, pushed the latch down. If you could see, you can't see in there, but I had to push the latch down and pull this back down. As you could see right there, there's a latch in there that was up. It was up and I had to put it down. That's what I had to do. Did the remote and all that. The window wouldn't open by itself. I'll do it right now. The clicker, see, it opens all by itself because obviously the shocks pull it up, but the electric little motor in here unlocks it, and then the struts do the rest of the work. So whenever I was doing it though, it didn't open for me. I was at the back of it clicking it and I was like, all right. So I pulled the door open and the window didn't open. I had to pull the door open just for the window to come out. It pulled the window and made the lock open, and then the window went up. That's what I'm thinking. So alright, this is what I was talking about. This was stuck back like that, so I had to get a screwdriver. Damn, we can't see in there very well, but I had to get a screwdriver and back in there. Pushes the back of this down, which releases it and then brings it back forward. Just like that. See, when you pull the door handle, that automatically does it already. So as you can see, there's writing on there. I just got that yesterday. I wish I would have made a video on it. I'm sorry guys. I had to pull the whole unit off. There's only, let me explain this really quickly. There's only two plugs. There's a plug right here on this side and there's a plug right here. Unplug that, unplug this side, and there's two nuts. One right here and then one back here on the unit. You just unbolt those and the whole sucker comes off. And then when you put the new one, put it on, slide the unit all the way up, tighten it down in that position, plug it in, and test it out, you know. And I didn't close it and close the window to test it out because I wasn't sure if this one worked, because obviously it was a junkyard one. So what I did was I just pushed it in like that, used my key fob or pulled the door handle, which one, it doesn't matter. I'm just going to use the key fob and test it out. I did it like 10-15 times, made sure it was going to be reliable and worked, and it did. So I put the whole door panel back together, all the clips. I put all the clips back together and put the whole panel back on. It's just like, it's easier than the door panel. It's very simple, and everything was good and gravy. Everything worked. So I got my window motor back on. They charged me $28 because it was the latch and the motor they charged me for. So that ain't bad though. Still cheap. I'm liking it. Now I got my window back. Oops, pushing it, yeah. Now I got my window back. Sometimes my button sticks in there. I gotta clean it out a little bit, but everything's working. Everything is fine. Whenever I close it and do my handle, it all opens up nicely, nice and wide. And I have not a problem with it anymore. So I'm happy about that. I just thought you guys should know, really. I wish I would have recorded and taken the pictures while it was off. I'm sorry. I got it done at the exact time this thing broke. I came home, dropped my family off, ran straight to the junkyard, fixed it in the parking lot, got it done because I had things to do after that. So I was in a rush, but at least you guys know, two nuts, two clips with plugs, and then boom, comes off, and then reverse that process, putting it on, and you're good to go. All right, I just thought you guys should know about that. So if you can, please like, please subscribe, and share this video. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye.